Okay. Good afternoon once again. So we can start from where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday we looked at majorly the introduction to SQL. I taught you about how to create a table, how to insert values into the table. Then we actually stopped here, which is where we will continue from. Uh, which is where we will continue today. So that's like select form and where. So now let me just use a practical example, and which is what I usually use for almost every time. So I told you SQL is more like it's more like English language. So you are trying to can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So you are trying to just communicate in English because all we are doing is that we are saying that select all the columns. That's the meaning of this asterisk.
Mm.
For where do you want to get them? Which table? You are telling them that okay, worksheets. This worksheet is inside this database, right?
Yes.
Then we are trying to like order by these are like sorting in Excel. Do you
Mm.
understand?
Mm.
So let's try to recall this. So I'll just start immediately from this one. So if I do something like this, try to check this. This one. I don't know your phone and laptop.
My phone. I don't.
So
If I join
okay,
with my laptop, I don't know what's wrong with my This is it Google Meet we are using? I don't know what's wrong with it.
okay, what happened?
Hmm?
I said what's up?
Before I connect, it's always giving me issue.
Okay, no problem.
It's
So
not
can
like
you
I
just see
can't
what I'm
connect
saying?
though. Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you okay. So now let's just continue. So I copied this thing. So what do you expect me to see when I run this? What do you expect me to see?
Mm,
So
like, what do I expect you to say in what sense?
what do you expect me to see in this particular area? Like the
Okay.
answer this particular query return.
Um, the worksheet.
All the columns inside the worksheet, right?
Yes. Yes.
So let's run it. So can you see these are all the columns? We have just three columns: the ID, the names, the
Mm.
age. But then we have some. We don't have only these are not the only keywords that we have. Not only select and form. We also
Mm.
have a lot of keywords. You can see we have names here. We have
Mm.
ID. Even here, I can easily see that I have two sheet two, one
Mm-hmm.
sheet two. Can you see we have two sheet two here?
Yes.
Two values. Sheet two. So now let's say I want to order this ID in descending order. You know, when if it is in Excel, you'll have clicked on Z to A,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
In this case, you will just say, okay, I want to order by what column are you trying to arrange? This ID,
The
right?
ID. Yes.
So are you trying to arrange it in ascending order or in descending order?
In ascending order. ASC.
So if it's in ascending order, it will still be like this, it will still be like this, because this is 1 1 2 2 3 3. But
Okay,
let's
that'll
say
be.
if it is ASC,
Yeah.
if I run it like this, nothing will happen
Mm.
because it's just in ascending order.
Mm.
Right? Can you see it's still the same? But once I change this one to what? DES
Mm.
and I run it. Um, okay. Okay. So can you see now? It's from 8765. Can you see what I'm seeing?
Mm-hmm.
Now. So that's what we call order by. We have the order by clause. So there's something we call where. Do you know how filter works?
You mean in SQ here, right?
No, no, no. In Excel. Tell
Yes.
me what do you mean about filter?
It shows the details in a particular column.
Exactly. So now let's say we want to see only sheet 2. We're only concerned about the rows that
Mm,
has only sheet 2. You know, we have two
mm,
sheets here. So I will
mm,
now say select every column. So from
mm,
this where, so we call it the where clause. Where
mm.
names. What's the name of this column?
This particular column and
This one.
names.
Picking up. Mhm. When names
Mm.
equals to what? Equals to sheet 2.
It's,
So why do I add quotation mark before sheet 2?
because we have to.
Because it's a value inside a colon.
Okay.
Why don't I add colon quotation mark before this one? You don't add quotation mark on the colon header, but you add quotation mark to the text in a colon.
Mm.
Do you
Okay.
understand?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So now let me go on this. So can you see I can only see 2?
Mm.
So now let's say I'm trying to return Franklin. So I'll say I want Franklin. So if I run it, can you see Franklin
Mm.
13? Now I can do a lot with this wheel.
Mm.
Let me say I want someone about Ayomide. You remember we not have anybody named Ayomide.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's go into what do we see? We see empty values. That means there is nobody named what Ayomide. Do
Mm.
you understand? Even there's
Yes.
still thing we can do. Let me just highlight this one and burn it.
Mm.
So now you can see we have most of them they have age ranging from 12 to 19. So I can
Mm.
say I want I want I want to see everything. I want to see all the columns from this
Mm.
table where age is greater than 18. That is, I don't
Mm.
want to see. So if I say 18, what row do you think I will be seeing if I run this particular data set?
Frank.
No, Frank is just 18. I said greater than 18.
Greater than 18. Okay. Shadi.
So if let's run it, so can you see?
Mm.
If I say equals to greater than or equals to 18, what do you think we will see?
Greater than or equals to 18. We'll see Shadi and the other person that is 18.
Is it
Frank.
clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Mm.
So that is this where it is like a filter. Remember the filter drop down where you
Yes.
select or you select something. I think can you see it is very easy now. So
Mm-hmm.
now F and S, which one comes first?
F.
F. So now let's try to rearrange the name in descending order.
Mm.
Do you understand that this
Yes.
Shade will come first? So
Before Frank.
after this way, so now
Mm.
I'll write what?
Order by.
By what? By what? Tell me.
Order by descending order.
Order by
DES.
what? You have to order by, you have to tell me the name of the column.
Okay.
Because you have 3 columns here. Which one are we arranging in
Um
descending order?
Shadi.
Names now. That's
Names.
the
Okay.
uh, order by in descending order. That would be DSC.
Mm.
So let's run this. Do you understand this?
Yes. I get.
You do. Like you
Mm.
really do.
Mm.
Okay. So let me ask you a question. So let's see if you can write it in. So you will write this one for me. So I want to see, you will tell me the code that I'll be writing out. So the question is, Okay. So anyway, so the question is return return the names of the people within the range of within the range of 12 to 15
First to
in
15.
descending order. In descending order.
Mm, okay. That means we're doing
We are
order
starting
by
from selecting. We are
from
starting from select.
select.
You just tell me everything that you want. I'll just be writing it for you. So it's
Okay.
more like you are the one writing the code. Select. I'll not even correct you till you said you are done.
Mm,
So just understand the question. The question is, okay, let me tell you the answer. So all I want to do is that you see this sheet two,
mm,
because they are from the range of sheet 2 to 15 here.
yes.
I want to see all the columns that you should return everyone from sheet 2 and plain bulky scholar. Then you now arrange them in descending order. You now arrange the names in descending order. Do you understand?
I don't
So,
understand the return part.
so I said return all
Mm,
the names between the age of 12 to 15,
okay.
right?
Mm,
Once you are now done returning them, you will now sort it in descending order. You sort the
descending and
names in descending order.
okay. Select, then you put apostrophe, then names,
Asterisk.
asterisk rather,
Mhm.
from
Okay.
practice,
Mhm.
then you put asterisk again, worksheet, then you go down,
Okay.
order by, asterisk.
Stick like this.
No, um it should be apostrophe since you want to write names inside it.
Quotation mark.
Um, quotation.
Okay, I write names. No, I told you one verse the other time. I said, okay, let me just correct you. When you are writing the name of um the columns header, the column header name, you do not add quotation mark. I
Mm.
did say it the other time.
Oh, since it's the header,
Mm-hmm.
yes, you told me.
What about names? Okay,
Mm. Then order by names, you put this thing at the end,
I got.
the semicolon.
Is it? Are we all doing in ascending or descending?
Okay, descending order.
So what else?
BESC.
Okay, then semicolon.
Mm.
It's not those. So can you see all we have done now is that I can still see 19. I can
Mm.
still see 18. Not
Mm.
what do I what was the question? Return only between age 15,
Hey, hey,
12
I'm
to
doing
15. You
what
did not do
happened?
anything to that one.
No, no, don't come. Go and play. I'll call you when I'm done. Amma, go and play first. I'm coming. Sorry.
No problem.
Mm-hmm. So you said what I'm supposed to like return.
Return between the age of 12 to 15.
Okay.
So
But I thought you said
what clause do you use to filter? Let's
huh?
start from there. What clause do you use to filter? What clause? Is it like the
Mm.
order by clause, the where clause, the from clause? What clause do you use to filter?
Okay. Order by.
Where clause now? You write something like this. Where? I'm expecting you to say where age.
Okay.
Because you have to say something where age is between is between 12 and 15.
Hmm.
I don't understand. How is it going on?
Hmm. But wait, I'm trying to like understand something. I
Okay, hold
think
on now.
okay.
So now look at what we can you see this is what I actually want.
Yes,
Like
but
12, 13, 14. Okay.
now I'm confused. I thought you said I should return, right?
Yeah, return. That is
Now,
the result of the return. Okay.
okay, if you use the word return, does that mean I have to like filter?
No, the question says, let me remove this one. The question, okay, repeat the question. Let me see.
You said I should return the names, then I should make it in descending order.
No, that was not what I said. I said return. Now, let me just make it easier. Let's say we have 10 children here, right?
Mm,
And they range from 0 to 10, 0, like from 1 year to 10 years. You
mm,
get. So I was summoned to call the children about 5 years. That
mm,
means the 1 to 5 years, I will not call them,
mm,
right? I will only call people between 5 to 10,
mm-hmm,
right? Because I'm actually removing some a part of them is what we call filter. Because I'm not seeing all of them anymore. I'm removing a part of them. The question says, in this case, it says return the names of the people between the age of 12 to 15.
Oh, I
So
didn't
that
hear that part of 12 to 15.
so that means within they are 12 to 19 before. So you have to like filter 12 to 15. For you to filter, we only use one clause for filtering, which is called the where clause. Do
Hmm.
you understand?
Yeah, I think I
You look
need to
at it.
write these things down, especially this
Exactly.
conditional statement. Like,
Exactly. Which is why I told you yesterday to watch this stuff. Remember, I keep hammering it. But then it is simple if you actually get it.
okay, now,
Look at it.
please.
Where age is between 12 and 15. You can't tell me this is not English language.
Yes.
Exactly.
So now let me get everything right so I can jot it down.
Okay.
But see, if I'm starting from, I will do select first. Select is for when I'm actually like working with a particular, probably like this worksheet now, right? That's the first thing I'm writing.
So,
Select. Then the next thing will be from like which place am I picking it from? That's where I use from, Abby.
like,
Yeah?
from yes, I'm getting you.
Okay.
I'm nodding. I'm
Okay.
nodding.
So from is actually either I'm getting it from practice worksheet, table, or anywhere. Sha. That's when I use from. Then where is when I want to like filter that what am I looking for? Is it where age or probably where name is something like that.
Exactly.
Right? Okay. Then this order by now. Can you explain this one for me?
Order by is more like you are sorting.
Is okay, like I'm sorting, Abby. That means if I'm sorting maybe from ascending or descending order.
Yes.
Okay.
So now, should I give you another
I think
question?
I'm getting. Wait, I'm coming. Let me finish writing this. So, mm, okay. Where do I have to put quotation mark? That's when the name is in the border one. If it is normal name, I will put it. If it is the border, I will not put it.
What do you mean by order?
I mean,
For header.
header rather. Sorry. I
Okay.
mean these names. if it is a particular name like this sheet now, I'll put the this thing.
Yes, because the value inside the column, not the column header.
Okay.
You get.
Um, and that would be apostrophe, Abby.
So that's the profession.
Okay. Mm, I'm going. Mhm. Now I get. You can continue.
Now let me ask you another question. So now let's run this again.
Okay.
So we can see everything here. So now the question goes like this. Can you hear me?
Mm.
Return, return all the names. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Return the names of the people that are of 13 years and 15 years only.
13 and 15, Abby.
Only. Now,
Okay.
when this is the full data set, what do you think you are returning?
You mean I mean the age now, Abby?
No, I said the names
Eh,
of the people that are of age 13 and 15. Like looking at the full data set here, which names do you think you are returning?
Franklin and Ola.
Now, that's what you want to do. Tell me how you go about it. You have to rack your brain. It's quite sweet.
Okay.
So I said return the names only.
Mm.
Yes. So what do I write?
Select
Select. I'm trusting you here.
asterisk.
Asterisk.
Then from no.
You can see every blue words. I've been writing it in capital letter.
Mm.
You understand?
From worksheet.
Practice the worksheets.
Practice worksheet.
Okay.
Then since we are dealing with names, that means we are using
Hold
order
on.
by
What's the question? What's the question?
age between 13 and 15.
No, not between. Age that are 13 and 15 only.
Okay, 13 and 15 only. Okay, where that will be where?
Because you are filtering, you are not really where
Mm. Where age
age. Okay.
between
No, it's not between. I
okay
said 13 and
13 and
15 only.
15.
Where age is equals to what?
13 and 15.
13. Now you can see when I wrote and I saw it that it is blue color. So I
Mm.
just took and I write it in what do you call it?
Capital letter.
And age equals to what?
Why
Okay.
can't we just do where age equals to 13 and 15?
Make this sense.
Like this years.
Don't worry. Let's continue.
Is it not correct?
What's the next thing? I said let's continue. Should I run it?
No, no, no. I'm
Are you
just
done? Are you
asking.
done with your query?
Then
No, I'm not saying you are not correct now. I only
that's
said
what
let's run it and let's see if there will be an error message. So
mm,
what should I add?
semicolon.
Any semicolon or what thing?
Semicolon.
So it's given 13. So that's why
Oh.
can you see now?
Mm.
That's why you need to separate it. Okay, where age is 13. Age is 15. Oh, I'm supposed to use
Oh, okay.
I'm supposed to use
Mm,
Yes.
I think
You are getting it, but
yes.
it's literally.
Mm,
Let me give you um, I mean, I prefer we should go at a slow pace, you understanding it, than
mm,
we should just keep pushing it.
yes.
So if you know what I told you now, there's a better way to write it,
Mm,
right? So you can just say instead of age is 13 or 15. So you can just say something like age, where age in. I mean it's just English, where age in
mm,
what? 13.
13. Okay. I
Please, can
think
you
this
confirm?
one is easier.
I mean, it's English. It depends on how you can you see. I see everything.
Yeah, I think this one is
So that
easier.
is yes. I told you that it's just English. I mean, you can see that it is just saying that where age that is returned everything here.
Mm,
Where age is in 15, is in 13 and 15. Do you get?
mm, yes.
Let's take you another question.
Yes.
Okay. If you are getting it, if you are getting the hang of it, so we can try much. But then we are now moving at the pace I want. But I mean, it is very good that we are moving very, very nice and easy.
See that yesterday I was like very distracted. I won't lie to you.
Okay, now this one. Let's look at this one. So we can see we have two sheets here.
Mm,
Two sheets. I want you to return everything to be just one. You know the meaning of one. If I have how many sheets
mm,
would come here?
two.
How many sheets would come here? Two. If
Mm,
I say, okay, let's say we have five people in the room. I want you to understand one class.
mm-hmm,
We have five people in the room. We have three people named Shitu. We have two people named Balkis.
mm,
Do you understand?
mm,
So there are five people, but then they asked you that, okay, how many variety of name do we have in the class? How many?
two.
Just two, because we have two unique value.
Mm,
Do you understand? Three are
yeah.
Shitu, two are Balkis.
Mm,
So now in this case, we have two Shitu. So I'm only telling you that, okay, I've not thought it before, I will tell you now. Return only one. So I'll just say select. Let me just write it because select. Select. What are we selecting? 16th. That is a unique value. That is the meaning of 16th now. 16th names, right?
mm,
From from where? Practice dot options. Can you see it is returning sheet to once? Do you
mm.
understand?
Yes, I'm trying to write it down. Distance names. But then, okay, that means even he will still have another name, probably like this Ola if it is two, and this Shitu is two. It will replace the Ola too, since the keyword is distinct names.
So now let me give you this question. Are you still writing the query?
Yes, I'm done.
Let me give this question. And this is the up query. Now, write this question. Return only column names and age. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see we have been returning 3 columns since? Return only column names and age, where age is greater than 13, less than 18.
Greater than 13, less than what?
Than 18.
Okay. Less than 13 or
And
18.
18, 1 and close.
Yeah. Select.
So first, before we go on, can you repeat the question?
I should return age.
Repeat the question. Okay, return age.
Yes. Greater than 13 and less than 18.
Okay. So I said we are not returning the 3 columns. So we are only returning names and age. So let's continue. Select.
Mm.
Okay.
From
Select what?
asterisk.
Mm-hmm.
No. It will not be like that.
Do not be what?
Select
Mhm.
hmm,
No, don't work yourself up. Just it is very easy. Very easy.
but I know we are not using distance anymore since we are dealing with figure now. But I can't. Is it possible for me to jump to where like that?
Just say anything that like.
Okay.
You cannot jump to
Select
where.
then where
What's the function of select first?
we are picking, like to let us know where we are picking our data from.
No, we are picking columns. Select is picking the columns.
Picking columns rather. Yeah.
So it is okay. How many columns are we returning?
2. Names and
Which are
age.
so that's what you will write here. Names and what?
Okay.
Age. From
Age.
what table?
I thought these names would be in, since it's the
It's
header.
colon header. You do not need it to be in quotation
Okay.
mark. Column header do not have it is value inside the column header that must be in quotation mark. But this column header here, it should not be in quotation mark.
Okay.
So now, where do you want to select them?
Select from practice worksheet.
So now the question asks that you should return the
Mm.
names of people that are greater than 13, less than 15, less than 18.
So where
Okay.
age
Mhm.
is greater than 13.
How do I write?
Hmm?
So I write something like this. Right?
Yes,
Okay.
13. And age again, less than 18.
Okay.
Then you put semicolon.
So can
Um,
you see
you put them in
that correct now?
brackets.
No,
Okay, I'm
no.
correct. Okay,
Yeah, you are correct.
okay.
Okay. Let me see, guys. We have actually done it. Okay. What this one will be using? Okay, let me teach you this. I'm coming.
Okay.
Trying to see um, how to see. Um, so let's do basic arithmetic in that's clear. So I'm trying to open to I'm trying to open my notes. So we've learned how to use select from where and order by, right?
Mm,
So and I guess you understand that very well.
yes.
So let's move to another one. So if I have something like this too, what does it mean?
Mm, you told me yesterday.
At least I thank God that you know that I told you yesterday.
Um. mm,
So it is just comments. That is
Comment.
no return error.
Okay.
So now let's just write our normal thing that I have been writing. So now let's say we want to sum up. Please pay attention. Right?
Mm,
So now let's say we want to sum up all the age here.
mm-hmm.
What do we do? So now remember, we've been doing something since the morning. What's the function of this select?
Where you are picking from?
The rows, the columns that you are picking. If I say something like this, what's the function of this ID? Because this particular table it has three columns in it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I say something like select ID, that means I'm only picking ID out of three columns. If I run this one now, Control Enter, can you see I can only see ID.
Mm,
So if I say something like names, can you see I can only see names also. So if I say
okay.
names and ID, I can see names and ID. So this
Mm-hmm.
select is more like I'm picking the names, the
Column.
columns.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm,
So now, in this case, what do we want to do? We want to sum SQL, right? So
mm-hmm.
it's now asking what column are we sorting? Are we
Okay.
summing? Oh, eh?
I can't see. We have name, ID, and what's the
Age,
last age?
age.
So which
And
one are we having?
we are summing to the the age column. Oh, so this one was age, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now if I run it, it will return an error. But let's run. Let me let you see the error. Okay. Funny enough, it doesn't return any error.
Mm.
So can you see we have something called 136.
Yes.
But then, hold on. Now, when I say select some age, it creates a virtual column for us.
Mm.
Do you understand? How many columns do we have?
Three.
Which are?
ID, name, and age.
Do we have anyone named some age?
No.
Exactly. So now it will return an error like this. If I say, okay, select age, we already have our age before.
Mm.
Age column normally. So if I'm not tell this Excel, SQL to select this sum age again,
Mm-hmm.
look at this one, it will return an error. It is returning an error, it's saying that in an aggregated query. So now, what I'm trying to say is that when you have something like sum, or when you have any group thing, maybe sum, counts, you have any arithmetic operation, you can see the column Which colon is not grouped here? Is it this one or this one? Which one is not grouped?
H.
This one, I mean. So if you now write something like this, group by the one that is not grouped, H, then semicolon. So if you run it like this, so can you see? So now let's try to see what is happening. So here we have 12. How many 12 do we have there? You know, we have sheet 2 twice.
Mm.
So that's why it is saying that the sum of ages was 24 for
Mm.
sheet 2. So then 13, you only have one 13, you only have one 14. But then you understand what I'm trying to say. Don't worry, you still use it in real world. But okay, let's try to do another thing so you understand better. So now let's say we are trying to count this age.
Mhm.
We are trying to count. So I'll just say count all the age that we have here. So I can just run this one. So it is saying that we have nine age of people, right? Which is correct. Do you know? Should
Yeah.
I go back again?
We have nine. Yes.
You sound confused. So if I actually look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9,
Mm.
right?
That's
So if
like.
I counts,
Yes.
what's it?
I said
I
that's.
counts
Mm.
and I run it like this. Can you see this correct?
Yes.
It's correct.
So
So
as well do average, maximum, like.
yes, exactly. I love you. I'm sorry. Average.
Mhm.
So this one is and to enter. So it is returning error. I want you to see it.
Mhm.
That means instead of when you see something like average does not exist, can you see I'm reading my own error message? So if you
Yes.
already know that it is what AVG. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Do you understand what I just did there?
Mm.
So when you see error message, please and
It
please
does
don't
not
thin out.
understand the average in full.
Exactly. Please don't thin out. Try to understand the error message and decode it.
Mm.
So now I can say max.
Mm.
So I actually like all this aggregation function. I like putting it in capital letter. It makes it look professional. You understand?
Mm.
Consequent. Can you see the maximum age is what? 19. So
19.
if I see something like maximum, what do you think it will return?
Error.
Exactly. So it is saying that maximum does not exist. Can you see it there?
Mm-hmm.
So now if I say minimum, do you think it will return something? So it's saying minimum is not exist. So we'll just change this one to what? Do you understand? So
Mm.
you get what we are doing.
Yes. Yes.
It's more like Excel, but then
Mm.
it's just like you're writing this one out.
I get. That's why I'm asking if we can do all these ones too.
Yes, we can. Tell
Mm.
me another thing that you want us to do. We've done max, mean, average, count, sum, which is basically what we teach in
Yes.
Excel the
Mm.
other time.
Yes.
So um so now I can easily say calculate. Now I want to ask you a question.
Mm.
Select the average age.
Mm.
The average age is actually 15.1.
Okay.
So select the average age of, okay, now this is the question. Return all the columns and
Mhm.
also calculate the average age alongside it. Let's try. Let's try.
Um. Select names. Um. Select. We are returning what?
All the columns.
Both ID, name, and age.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you can select star.
Select asterisk. Yes.
Okay.
Do we still have to write it out, like, since it's all the column we want to see, we don't need to
Okay.
like write name, age, and ID again.
Yes, you can. I mean, you may not. It depends on you. Let me just write it out so you can see that we can also write it out. Names, idea, and names again.
Mm.
So what are we trying to do? They said calculate. If you are calculating, you have to put in your calculation and beside your select. They said calculate the average age also.
Then average.
Average.
No, AV G.
Let me just write it in. Okay.
Mm.
If average what?
Age.
So you open the column, then you write select. Right.
Mm.
So am I if I want this thing, what do you think it will become?
The average age now.
No, it won't return the averages. It will return an error. Now, this one is good. There is a calculation going on here. There are no calculations here. So that means you have to add something. I told you the other time, you have to add group by. Once there is a calculation going on in your select, you have to add
Mm.
something called group by. Do you
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
So now you have to group by all of this one that do not
Mm.
have that do not have what do you call it? That do not have any calculation or any
Mm-hmm.
aggregation.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's run this. So can you see? So
Mm.
these are the averages. But then I know it's not really correct now. Assuming you've removed this one and you run this one now, can you see to return error? It will say that in aggregated query. Can you see it's
Mm.
saying in aggregated query without group by? Can you see?
Mm.
It's telling you that
Yes.
okay, this add a group. So when you do an error, when you see something like an error, please don't be scared. Try to debug it. Okay, what's the next step? Do you understand?
Mm.
Don't worry, when we are using the real data sets, you will understand this better. But then, let me show you
So
something.
now we have to put group by.
Yes, let me show you something. When we have been creating all of these aggregation, we have been having something, this part, this
Mm-hmm.
column header, average age. But then it's not demure, it's not like, it's not professional. So you can just see something like, there's something we call alias. Let me just
Mm.
write it. Alias means that instead of saying, can you see alias? So instead of, if I do something like count age, if I go on this one, can you see is the colon header is what count age. So
Mm.
that means everybody will be seeing my query, which does not make sense. Do you
Mm.
understand? So I can
Yes.
easily use an alias. I can easily do something like as that's the name of alias. That is this
Mm-hmm.
colon header should be. I can easily use anything. I can say something like age
Mm.
count. You understand? So if I run it like this, so can you see we have age count.
Mm-hmm.
So if I have something like SUN, yes,
Mm.
I have something like SUN, I can say some of each. So, right. If I run
Mm-hmm.
this, so can you see?
Yes.
So that's what we call alias. So I can say max. So if I now had alias here,
Mm-hmm.
so can you see it's giving me max age, which is non-professional. So I just add what max age. I mean, you can write anything.
Mm.
Max age. Actually, we learned a lot today.
Yeah.
So that's as much age.
Okay.
Uh, what else can I teach you?
So whenever we want
Check
to
back.
get like this result, we have to instead of using select for the first one, you have to like use the alias abi.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes. So now,
Okay.
can I ask you a favor?
Okay.
So I've actually done what we call good foundational knowledge. There's a lot of things that you have learned today
Mm,
from aggregation. Then you can easily solve some question. But then
mm,
if I should, because when there's a lot of things that have been learned,
mm,
you get you,
yes.
especially when you're new to something, and then I just keep
Mm,
pushing you with new stuff. So
mm,
now there is actually a YouTube channel that explain the foundation, everything that I've explained, and even
mm,
beyond the things that I've explained in
mm,
simpler terms. Do you
mm,
get? But the channel is not mine. I don't even know the person. It's just like one of the tech gurus out there. But he explained it in a very simple way. Very
mm,
simple way. So now if I asked you to watch it, it's a 3 hours video. So if I
mm.
asked you to watch it, remember I cannot touch
That's
um
it.
I cannot track the analytics
Mm,
because I'm not the owner of the channel.
mm.
But then would you promise me that you will watch the 3 hours before the next Friday?
Mm,
It is a three
I'll
hours,
try.
3 hours on dots. No, don't tell me you will try. You must.
Then by Friday, right? Like I have to watch before Friday, Abby.
You have to watch before Friday. So now this is what I want to ask you. While
Mm,
you are watching every single thing the man saying, write
mm-hmm,
it on your laptop, then send a screenshot of everything in that
mm.
3 hours.
Everything is saying.
Everything. No, when I say everything, all the queries he is writing,
Okay, okay.
everything. Write it out and send a screenshot, please, before Friday.
Mm,
Now, you ask me why am I doing this, even though I'm getting paid for teaching you. Now, the thing is, one, we are actually supposed to have passed SQL. Remember, we have to like go back to Excel, just like cement what you have learned,
mm,
right? Two, you understand this already. I mean, you may not understand it fully, but you understand. You have basic
mm,
foundational knowledge. You can easily write some queries. You can debug when you have an error. You will not thin out. You will not run away that what's
mm,
happening here. Like
mm,
you can easily say that okay, I should add comma here. I should add semicolon here. This is
mm,
what's very close. I mean, this is group by. I mean, we've done select from where order by
mm,
uh, group by. We've done
mm,
all of this clause. We've done between. We've done and. We've done or. We've done
mm,
all the sum counts. We've done a lot actually. But then this particular guy, he makes it simpler. Do you get?
mhm,
Now, when I recommend it to you and you actually watch it in all honesty,
mm,
by the time you are coming next class, we will not
mm,
be starting from foundational knowledge again. So even though I will quiz you on what you've learned, but then
mm,
we'll be starting from intermediate level because
mm,
what I want to send it is also beginner level. So
mm,
we started from intermediate level, and it will make our learning faster, easier, and you will enjoy it also.
mm. No problem.
I can teach you, just that we have to buy time. Remember, we are still doing a project in this Power BI. We
Mm,
have to buy a lot of time. It is just 3 months, so we
mm.
have to buy time.
Watch. Mm,
Okay, so no problem. Please try to watch this one also because I will track the analytics here.
okay.
So I'll send the link
And
after
send the link
this.
to me about the my
So let
assignments.
me make this one too.
Okay.
Let me
I
just make
forgot you
this.
are recording.